Hello everyone, welcome to Nugini Forex Trader. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you the only indicator, technical indicator that I use trading ICT and SMC on the Forex market. This indicator is the session indicator by Lux Algo. Okay, first we will install the indicator on our TradingView platform. First you will go up to the indicator tab here, and then we'll search for the session. Okay, each year session by Lux Algo. This one, we're gonna click this one. Okay, each year now. Okay, now we're gonna set it up. We're gonna put the time zone for the New York session, London session, Tokyo, and the Sydney session in here. Okay, we go up to the setting. Okay, first we will change the New York. Before we change this one, we go to our time zone. Okay, here we'll just leave it as it is. It depends on where you are. If you want to set it according to your own time zone, then that's fine, but I will leave it as it is, and I will use the New York time zone in here. So now I will come to the setting and I will change. Before I change other settings in here, I must change the zone in here, because the zone is UTC -5 in here. I must have to do the same in here. That's -5. Okay, that's my time zone. Okay, now I'm gonna change the session. I'm gonna change the sessions or the times when the market is active for New York, London, Tokyo, and Sydney. Okay, first we will change for New York. Okay, the active time for New York is 08 to 11, and for London is 02 to 05. For Tokyo is 20, that's 8 p.m. and 23, 11 p.m. and for Sydney it's 1400 hours to 17. Oops. Alright, we'll change this color to green. Not really green, but we'll just put it to something like this. And then we'll just say okay. Okay, let's draw down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, here the 15 minutes I will show you where you're gonna buy and where you're gonna sell. Okay, you must bear in mind always that when the market is active, like the shaded areas, like in the New York session or London or Tokyo or Sydney session, when the market is very active, you don't buy or you don't sell. You must wait, but you must always wait for a setup after the session is over and before a new session begins. Like for this one, this is the Asian session, Sydney session. After the Sydney session, it made a pullback in here. It made a high in here. So this is where you're gonna sell, targeting in the New York session. I mean Tokyo session. Okay, you look at the London session. London session is very active, but after that there's a pullback in here or a dip. That's where you will buy, target in the New York session. Always you will buy at the dip and you will sell at the pullback. Sell at the pullback, buy at the dip, but not during the active session. This is the London session, so now London session is having a break before the New York session. So you must always wait for the break, and then you must sell and you must buy. Okay, let's look at another example in here. You look at this one here. This is the New York session, active session, but when it came down here, it came down to the it forms a dip in here before it goes up to the London session. You see, so before it goes up to London session, so you must have to buy in here. Okay, let's move down to another example. You look at this one here, this pullback here. It forms a high here from Sydney. It forms a high here. It made a pullback here before it drops down to Tokyo session. So you see, you will sell in here, and that's what I mean by not trading during the active session period. You must have to wait during their breaks to buy and to sell. With that, this is all about this session indicator. Thank you all for watching, and I see you in the next video.